Do you want to avoid useless and expensive fines? Now you can, thanks to the new Midland CB hands-free kit. This revolutionary item allows you to use your CB radio in total safety without taking your hands off your steering wheel. It is very easy to use. You simply push the Bluetooth button and you can communicate with your hands-free and with no fines. Doesn't matter where you place it within the cabin, it will capture and optimize your voice, and you can hear it loud and clear. The dedicated CB Talk app also has an equalizer to adjust the frequency of your voice, and it's just as easy to answer your phone calls, always without using the hands.
Hello folks, any updates towards Bologna on the traffic?
Yeah, I was heading south, there's a lot of traffic. Oh, sorry, my boss is online.